I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ranger tail lights. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your Ford Ranger is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. Knowing the right bulb type beforehand saves time and ensures a proper fit. Now, let's get to the tail light assembly. You'll typically find two retaining screws on the inside edge of the tail light housing. Carefully remove these screws using your screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but avoid twisting it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Each bulb is housed in its own socket. Twist the desired bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully align the tail light assembly back into its position on your Ford Ranger, making sure all the tabs line up. Reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws, but don't over-tighten them. Finally, test your new tail light to confirm it's working correctly. For more helpful tips and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.